How to make curry leaves and yogurt hair mask for hair growth. Blend a handful of curry leaves into a thick paste. Next, add 1 tablespoon of the curry leaves paste to 3 to 4 tablespoons of yogurt, depending on the length of your hair. Now, mix the 2 ingredients well until they form a paste of smooth consistency. In the next step, massage your scalp and hair with this hair mask. Ensure that all of your hair is covered in it from the roots to the tips. Then, leave it on for 30 minutes and wash it off with shampoo. How often you should do this? Apply this hair mask once a week to boost scalp health and make your hair soft and shiny. Why this hair mask will work? Yogurt works extremely well as a hydrating scalp cleanse. It removes dead cells and dandruff and leaves your scalp and hair feeling soft and fresh. Curry leaves contain essential nutrients that help flush out the impurities from your scalp, improving follicle health. As an added benefit, they also help prevent premature graying. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.